Hey guys, thought I'd take a look at the 2007 Dodge Ram. I just took a look at that Jeep over there. Couldn't help but notice this. This seems to be quite dented, and then decided to burst into flames. Burst into flames. Completely shot. Melted. People talk about, they got dashboards cracking in the United States. Yeah? How about melting here in Canada? So let's take a look. Ooh. Yeah, we seem to have a wiring issue. A little bit of a wiring issue, I think, yes. Oh, there's that big the plug that lives right underneath the driver's floor. I think One Pug Life has something to do with the wires. Yep. Oh, it's time to go. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, not going to get those nuts off. But a nice big thick pack of springs there. But everything else, look at that, eh? Worn for some reason. Rubbing. Strange. 2007. Let's take a look at the dash. Well, opens up perfectly, but again, those door pins. Door pins might have a bit of a plastic bushing, I assume. Yeah. Yeah. The airbag is still in there. Have a seat. Have a seat. I bet you the floors and everything else, all the steel parts of this car are still in great shape. I assume that there's still something living inside there. Oh, interesting. I need that. Anyways, I'll take those. That's why you come to a junkyard with big pockets. Look at this. Yeah, nothing much there. But yeah, they just gave us the 10-minute warning bell to be able to say, get your ass out of here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. 4.7, guys, I think. Let me see. Can I tell? No, I can't. But look at those valve covers. It's not the Hemi. It's not the Hemi. Man, it smells. Look at the radiator, what's left. It's nothing. Yeah. That looks like a 4.7 in my eye. But you tell me, guys. Look where the intake is. The alternator is. Valve covers. Valve covers are aluminum, actually. Or are they plastic? No, they're aluminum. They're completely gone. So we had an engine fire over there mostly, but somebody took the brake booster of all things. Headlights, of course, literally melted. What the hell? That's a screw designed to be able to put some nutserts on. A little bit dented, a little bit dirty. Yeah. Walk away from it all, eh? Anyways, guys, looks like 207. Anyways, guys, I'm going to take a few things. SAN 379. Out.